Today I'm going to share with you how to create an mail in your desktop so that you can send email. Uh, First of all, you have to choose an browser, like you can choose Chrome and the Edge. In case I choose over here Chrome browser. For go to the search button, you have to write Gmail. So after that, you have to click the link and you can see over here the profile section. You have to simply tap on it, and after that you will see add account. So after clicking the add account, you will redirect to the new page. For that, you can see the create account option. From there, you can able to see the three option for my personal use, for child, for um, work, or my business. So you have to simply choose the for my personal use. So for that, let it be. For that, you have to fill up your details, like basic details like your names. So I give it to my name, first name and last name over here. Just then click it to the next option. Then you have to fill up your birthday. Like let me fill it up of my own. Then select the gender. Then select the next button. After that, Google will suggest some of the few Gmail accounts, so you can keep it and or you can create on your own. So in case I have to own my own Gmail, I want to create my own. So after that, I have to create next. So you have to create the password for the Gmail. The same password will be applicable for both of the fill option. So let it be um, uh, let it be fill up. Then oh, here is some problem. I have to give it the same password to the two different box. Then click it to the next button. Then you have to give an recovered emails. After it, if you not have the recovered, you can simply skip option. Then next button, your mail is completely set up right now. Then you have to see that there's the rest. You are in control. Data we process when we process it. Then you can see terms and condition to use this email account. Then simply click on the I agree button. After loading the page, you can able to see the your email is completely ready. Let it be reload first. Once you see, you can see that your mail is ready. Now you can able to send mail to the different your mail ID if you have. For that, you have to go to the compose button. Let it be loading first. Once you load in, we can go to the compose button. Then uh, mm, send that mail. You have to choose a particular mail ID where you want to redirect the mail. So I have to give the own mail ID. I want to share the mail. Then we have to select a subject. In case of I give it to my own subject like information. Then let's say, hey Rajdeep, how are you? Once you're done, is simply you can see the send button. Then you can see the message sent. Then you can view the option. After you can see this, the message is already been sent to the particular mail ID. So that's all about. mm, you can simply follow the step and you can easily create the mail ID.